Hello everyone and welcome back again to my channel. It's me, Prop Firm Analyzer, and today we're diving into something pretty interesting. We're taking a look at this platform called Hound. And so yeah, it's basically an AI-driven market intelligence tool designed to give traders a real edge in fast-moving markets. What's cool is that it pulls data from news, social media, and macro signals, and it uses advanced natural language processing and sentiment analysis to spot high conviction opportunities before the rest of the market even realizes what's happening. It turns all that complicated financial noise into clear, actionable trade ideas you can actually use. And honestly, that makes trading feel a lot less overwhelming. And because this whole thing, a deep tech company out of Europe, you're basically getting institutional grade tools made accessible for everyday traders and serious investors. So yeah, if you've ever wanted a smarter way to validate strategies, manage risks, or anticipate market trends, then this is definitely something you'll want to check out. But before we jump into the full review of Hound, I wanted to take a quick look at their Trustpilot rating because it kind of says a lot about how people feel about the platform. And you'll see they have a 4.4 star rating with plenty of positive feedback from traders and users who've tried Hound themselves. It's pretty helpful when you can read real experiences from other people. So yeah, it gives you a clear idea of what to expect. So here's something interesting. Hound already had around 3,400 users join the platform in just the past 7 days, which is honestly kind of wild. One of the best things about it is how it can detect emerging trends and evaluate the potential impact on asset pricing, which is super useful if you're someone who wants to stay ahead of the market. It uses advanced AI models to forecast positive and negative price movements. So yeah, you get a clearer idea of what could happen before it happens. And what I like is they also send real-time alerts for movements that might be important, helping you understand possible turning points by simulating micro and macroeconomic variables, which feels really helpful when you're trying not to get caught off guard. And as you explore the platform, you'll see daily monitoring of news and social streams along with sentiment analysis powered by their advanced AI system. We'll take a look at that part later. But so yeah, it's great if you want a way to stay informed without drowning in too much information. If you need help analyzing your charts, you'll also find insights pulled from hundreds of diverse and high-quality data sets, which gives you a more reliable foundation for decision-making. They even have correlation tools that help you understand what influences certain market movements and how different assets relate to each other. And honestly, easier to turn insights into usable trade opportunities. So another cool feature is their AI investing chat, which is powered by their proprietary analysis engine. And you can basically ask it anything related to the markets. It helps improve your chart analysis or gives you a second perspective when you're unsure, which is something a lot of traders appreciate. You'll also see a few upcoming features in development, like a screener, portfolio analysis tools, and risk management dashboards. Stuff that traders have been asking for. So yeah, it looks like they're building with the community in mind. It's nice knowing that more tools are on the way, and it shows they're actively expanding the platform. So first things first, let's talk about signing up because it's really simple. You just enter your first name, last name, email address, and your password, and that's basically it. Super straightforward. After signing in, you'll see the full layout of Hound, including all the available features, assets, trending topics, and the latest news and social signals. If you want to add something to your watch list, you can easily do that too. And if you ever have questions, you can just ask the AI inside the platform. And yeah, it will give you suggestions or guide you toward better decisions. Personally, I think Hound is one of those tools that can really benefit traders because of how many useful features it brings together in one place. They have early signal detection to help you spot opportunities before they become obvious, giving you a timing advantage that can actually matter. Plus, they curate AI-generated trade ideas that save you hours of research, which is a huge relief when markets get overwhelming. Having something simplify news, social sentiment, and narrative cycles honestly takes a lot of pressure off. So yeah, when we asked the AI earlier, it gave us detailed information about the stocks we mentioned, from company highlights to possible purchase zones all the way to market capitalization. And if you need support, there's a dedicated help section where you can reach out anytime, which is reassuring when you're navigating a new platform. If you ever want to upgrade, you'll also see their pricing plans and you can choose whatever suits your needs and trading style. So yeah, when it comes to choosing a plan, you can go monthly or yearly, and you'll immediately see the benefits that come with each option. If you start with the basic account, everything is pretty much free and you'll get access to features like sentiment, social insights, stock sentiment, trade ideas, trade plans, fundamental analysis, and 1 month of historical data. It's a nice starting point if you're just checking things out, and it still gives you enough tools to get familiar with the platform without spending anything. They even include a few extra free features that you can explore before deciding whether to upgrade. Now, if you want something a bit more powerful, the standard plan obviously gives you more advantages. And the main difference is the 6 months of historical data and the increased usage limits. You can also request a custom plan if you need something more advanced. And all you have to do is reach out to support for a quote. Under the features section, you'll see that the free basic plans offer 10 watch lists, while the standard plan jumps all the way to 100, which is a big step up for active traders. It feels pretty flexible depending on how deep you want to go with your analysis. For the discovery bot, you'll notice that the basic plan gives you a 50 message monthly limit with 1 month of historical data, and the standard plan bumps that up to 300 monthly limit with messages and 6 months of data. It's a pretty big difference if you rely heavily on AI generated insights. If you're just starting out, the basic plan is honestly more than enough, and it's nice that you can test the features without paying right away. The free plan works too, but of course it comes with more limitations compared to the other tiers. So yeah, when you compare the 3 tiers, free basic and standard, you'll see that they all offer sentiment news, which is good, but the free plan doesn't include sentiment social or extended historical data. With the free tier, you only get 1 week of historical information, which is pretty limited if you're doing deeper research. The basic plan upgrades that to 1 month with both sentiment and social insights. And the standard plan gives you 6 full months of data, which is a huge advantage. You'll really see the difference once you start analyzing the markets more consistently. And when it comes to more advanced insights like bash talk, trade ideas, and fundamental analysis, the free plan doesn't include those features at all. That means fewer tools, fewer monthly limits, and basically less context for making strong trading decisions. The basic plan, on the other hand, includes bash talk, trade ideas, fundamental analysis, and even corporate event tracking, which can be really helpful if you're watching earnings or news catalysts. The standard plan takes all of that and just expands it with longer historical data and higher usage limits. So yeah, it's really built for more serious traders. So anyway, guys, if you have any questions, please don't forget to subscribe and drop your thoughts in the comments because it really helps the channel grow. If you want to reach out directly, you can always chat with support inside the platform. And if you feel like joining the community, you can hop into their Discord channel too. And the good thing about Hound is that it helps you improve your trading by giving you early signals on market narratives and momentum shifts before they even become mainstream. As I mentioned earlier, they have a 4.4 rating on Trustpilot, and a lot of traders say the platform really helps them make more informed decisions. Turns huge amounts of news, social sentiment, and macro data into clear insights that are actually actionable. So yeah, you're always making choices backed by real information. Plus, the platform strengthens your risk management by helping you see potential scenarios ahead of time, which helps reduce emotional or impulsive trades. So overall, it makes your trading feel more consistent, more informed, and honestly a lot more confident. And that wraps up our full Hound review for today, guys. If you have any questions, don't forget to contact support, join the Discord community, and message me anytime if you want more reviews like this. It's always nice to have a place where traders can talk and share experiences, So yeah, that's all for now. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.